Okay, folks, today we're going to continue our Summit Series. Today we're going to be talking about the 172BH. The BH stands for a bunkhouse. This Catalina is a very good, solid entry-level trailer for people with small trucks and they have a family with kids. This is the trailer for you. This trailer is going to have bunks in it. It only weighs about 3,100 pounds dry. So if you have a truck that tows 4 to 5, you'll be good with this trailer right here. Let me go over it with you. Coming with the diamond plate, of course your batteries go there and your propane goes there. This one has a pass-through that goes all the way through, and also if you wanted to add an external solar panel, you can do that as well. You gotta have the outside speakers on this one. Okay, and you have the awning, the power awning. It has a night light here, so if you need to figure out how to get around, there's a light right there. 110 plug-in. A lot of people often set up tables out here and get their margaritas or their non-alcoholic drink beverages blended right there. All right. So, in the galley right here, you have your sink. Okay, you have your 2 burners because it's just a small trailer. You have your microwave. You have an actual hood here. Big storage all around. Then you, on this left side of me, you have a dinette for 2 people, 4 really slim people. And then you have your bed over here, okay? The 2 beds for kids or really small people. You can have 2 nice bunks right here. We do have bunks that are wider, but this one, for the sake of something small to tow, this trailer packs a lot inside this awesome trailer. So you get 2 bunks right there, and you still get a toilet, a bath, toilet, and a shower with a hole right there for taller people, so someone 6 feet can get in that. Then if you look over here, you have your bed with storage under here, okay? You have USB plugs right there, so you do got some modern technology in this one. And you have all this storage right here. Tons of storage all the way across. All the way across. So if you guys are looking for a really small trailer, you have a smaller truck and you have a growing family, this is an awesome entry-level trailer. Feel free to give me a call. It's reasonably priced, small payments. Give me a call, Anthony the Ant-Man, 541-653-2818. Thank you.